Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, me blood clot.
Miss
If
Wong.
I cuss me and I tell me about my husband and my kids them.
Miss
You
Wong,
man,
you
when
know
I
tell
know
us something.
nothing, the gossa.
Yeah, Miss Wong, me know nothing about so. Me know that.
She
Me
reach
know
out
that.
to me when she died Jamaica for money. She call me every day upon WhatsApp when she a play Ludi. You go know no lie. I hook make me not send the money come here. She also when she come up, she a come at my house at Birmingham. When the woman always depend her life, her rich cousin she always say, her rich cousin Miss Wong, but no me a shit Wong. You so life funny.
Yeah.
You usual boss or your rich cousin at Birmingham and this and that. But no, the rich cousin that send her money. I know me a shit Wong. My husband fucking that and breeding that and this
I be
and
a
that.
liar, wicked woman. Let
And
me
you
tell us something how she
know a
work.
lie you all I want one by one. Two person on the Instagram when me can never like in a life. A blood clot queen of the south will tell lie for me. So me a wobia woman and Puss. Them two person there will tell lie on me. You see everybody will cuss. You know I cuss them back. But
Yeah.
you see them two person there will tell lie for me. I leave everything to God, man. Gotta expose them daily,
Listen,
nightly.
she no work outside. Let me tell her how Puss work. Puss no work. On the ground make people see her. She working at the inbox. So you see when time she do some boom and calling come on another day. And she do some bomb and she say, yo, she burn out down in a one little way, you know. She burn out down and then she said, calling, coming on my inbox. She said, come. And that's what she saying, the last thing, you know. She said, just calling, coming on my inbox and I listen to her and I say, I know see a pussy old woman there when I inbox she are working out. And I say, by time if a blood class say, gotta say, the big dirty snake girl. Zine, come on, me
I
tell
am
you
it,
something.
God.
She play like she really like Diary them for real. She really not like them, you know. But I just some people for know themselves out here and say, yo, some people serious with you, you know. You have some people serious with you, and you have to be weird that them Miss One come and tell us
Them
something.
wicked.
Yeah, you
Them
see them
wicked out.
people, them
Me
Miss
I
One, me
tell
not
you, the
laugh up with
woman was
them.
nice.
Yeah. Me not laugh up with them, mama. Come and tell you something. You can't know say somebody hate you, you're still in them face. If you don't like me not go in your face. I just saw me see you. You
Eh,
understand?
Susie,
And that's one of the things me never go back over post because I really never like her. But me not really hate her like say something
the,
bad if it happen to her. I really not like her.
Susie, the
Yeah,
woman
mama.
reach out to me. Susie, I find the woman there on Facebook. Me and the woman a friend on Facebook time. Yeah? Long time before them people are running into Puss. Till me and Puss, Radam blood clot, um, kingfish. Yeah, king mix up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? But deal with them wicked. Yeah? Me and Puss deal with King mix up wicked. Till King mix up put me up on him in YouTube page and make money off of me and Puss. How we deal with them wicked, yeah? And every day me I talk to Puss, I say Pussy and Tanya them man a family. Yeah, and you go. This that and me I show her love. Yeah. She fly go to Jamaica, Susie. She reach out to me. She ask me for money for her birthday. I swear to God, me that I go send it, but Uko said, don't send it, go give her. Yeah?
Yeah,
Every
yeah.
day, she in the dark a play Lodi. When she there at Jamaica, she and you go. And you know,
Yeah,
bam, my
yeah.
friend, see her down a town, she and you go. If I like me, I tell you, can join you go on the live and you go come talk it you. She and you go down a town, I beg. Yeah? I'm a friend with know you go when my you go then that prison up here. See you go when I ask you go say, Acho. Yeah? I'm say, all right, you know what? I go send the money and Uko say, no. Remember, me not do the woman nothing, you know. Remember, the woman start for me, you know. And Tuffy go tell her lie, you know. Say
Yeah.
me talk about her baby father when me no know. Me no know her baby father. Nothing about her baby father. The only person me know puts with her yoga. Me never know put baby father and see me in a real life.
Yeah.
And you see from that, the woman just start from my husband. and start to lie on me kids.
Right. Because why she do that? Because that's what they do to her. They fuck up her
Yeah,
kids and career. So she
yeah,
do it too. And the person who she come and associate and try to compromise today, they also do the same shit. The whole of them a bunch of drunk crow. Yo, mama tell you the truth. Me never used to cuss people kids, you know. Remember good when me start out here, you
yeah,
know,
me
me
I tell
never I don't.
you when
But
them
the way
start mine.
them start do kids, me say fuck that. That are them menu, so me start do it back. Cause remember say blood running in my vein too, you know.
Of
Cause me
course, them blood running our vein.
when me but me not gonna lie, Miss Wong, when I talk about people kids deep down in me, it's not me thing that mama. Me not feel good. Straight up. Me not really feel good. But me tell you something, man. You see a woman there, me see she play a gospel, me see she a play this, a wicked that. Them are them as them big blood clad all woman will up your people at Jamaica. And up your the young youth and the young girl them. They must make them prosper. Them
The
girl they are
motorway.
wicked. Them
I'm back
girl
on the
them big
motorway back
woman they
to my
wicked and
business.
evil.
I
Mama
just
tell
for
you
me and my
something.
husband now. We on the motorway back to our business. The fun done. So you see the evil people here, on are evil, wicked, parasite.
It is true, Miss Wong. There is. Because enough things me say, people don't touch our can like that. Like, oh, them one over there touch our can. And them are the ones she keeps shielding. And I'm like, what, bitch? Like, you that it, let me tell you something. That's what I say again. People for know themselves out here and know where them stand, who like them and who not like them. Me know who like me know who not like me. You have to fucking know where you stand now. We not in no friend nothing. If a pussy not like we, tell them for go suck them mother and tell them say, yo,
All
hey
right, that's
pussy,
all.
go over there so. You understand? Fast
Yeah,
girl. Move from here so. Me not really care for chat to a girl. And this on my thing there. Zeal.
right, that's all.
So the end of the day, my prefer don't have a hypocrite. I have one friend where is not hypocrite and just say, you know what? The truth is the truth. Because I like the truth, you know. But you see me not like the person who got behind closed door and I do the things them a snake.
Yeah,
And she's one of them. She's one of them. Oh, you say, oh, you just jump between them, so. Eh? You just jump between them, so. In pussy. And when you look at there, so, you're there over here, so with me, you're there over there, so, yo, hey, girl, go suck your mother straight. You say, I'm not partial, your pussy hole. Because me a one girl from here, where me tell you something, never ever come back over there. Me a girl will have shame. Zine, me have shame. Me tell them I never come back over there. So, because one, me see I do some little pussy shit. And me deep down in my heart, me don't have you up like say, hey girl, if you dead or want somebody hurt you. But you see a little curmudgeon ways, she not do nothing upon the gram, you know. She do everything in her inbox. And always tell people, Puss working at the inbox. She
yeah,
working at the inbox. She target the inbox. She's a FBI. She's a sergeant in at the inbox. And that's what she do. Zine. And she do something. She run from that inbox to the inbox. When me hear other day, she say, yo, Colin coming on my inbox. Me know say it's a rap. Me know who she a go against. But as when me say me really not care about nobody war no more out here. Me only care about myself and Miss Wong. If I post it this year, me I go have your back straight.
right, that's so
Zine.
Susan. If I
And
push it
if
this
there
year,
I got
never
war,
have
me
your
I
back.
got war.
Right,
But
that's so.
otherwise, anybody else, me now no war for them.
Right, that's
Nothing.
so Susie.
Me I look
Fuck
who
wrong with
look out
them.
for me. Me I look out who look out for me. Not pussy no look for me now, I look out for them. And that's my thing there. Any girl want this, anybody, if I'm a diarrhea, Miss Wong, me now jump in and no war for no
No
pussy.
war. Suck
I
them
mean, I
mother.
already see,
Look how,
I
hey,
already
me
see
not tell no lie.
people
Now.
that
Look
try
how
to come
diary
live off of your
cuss
friends.
people for them. Look how diary take up for them. Do this to them. A big stinking pussy nasty Kim. Me and diary then cool. And me take up for her. And this diary. nasty so-called mad woman blood clot Kim. Eh? And
You
look
know
how me
that
see
me
Diary take
try
up
show
with
you
them out
the
there.
same
Diary
people them.
defend our friend them. Not tell no lie. She loyal to our friend them.
You know me tell yourself a she dog. Other day me see them pussy I feel like them can't come stop me one. And she said, Ray, must say, hold my gun, mama, slack it and say, hold it, mama. Stay right this up. Don't move. Me tell her when for blood clot but sits. This some thing there no pussy. Come here, pray them, you know. Some girl can't hold my blood clot gun. One of the pussy wall. Suck on a mother, this some my thing there. Zine, you see fine, you know fuck with me. And do some me see some people me I'll defend them out here. And me see them all like commode me up back. Yo, me I tell them, yo, me tell her say right now, Miss Wong, me set my mind we anyway. Any girl forget this, get this. We are gonna
Yeah.
start, we are storm out the scheme them. You see
Yeah,
when me
man.
do a blood clot see you and them say a boy forget bait now, boy forget bait now, there's something there. But suck your mother.
Right there.
Straight.
So, you
A
hear from
par
one of me tell us
we
I
are
don't want
par
no
with the
peace, I
killy
want
killy them
war.
now. And
Mama,
that's our thing there.
them say I don't want no blood clot peace, I want war. Dan out me say up north. I think it's a disco club when you're looking at Dan house the blood
Yes
clot.
man, the woman
The
have
woman
nothing.
and then when you look up at Bobo Hill where she sit down with the yellow green
You
and
think you
Selassie
think
eye.
that Selassie Rastafari, the king of it.
Nice thinking down. The hey, look like you man buy one big mirror, you know, and do it in a style. One part white,
No mama, long
one
time
part
them
yellow,
mirror the day
one
now.
part white,
No mama,
one part yellow.
them mirror the day long time, you know. Long time them mirror the day now. A years we have to life to take out them mirror they know. Them mirror they when they hear our friends say, you know, she come with the carpet. That mean the carpet what she get with the house, you know. So she don't even dig up them dirty carpet there and get some brand new carpet, you know. So don't fi come talk to we out here. Move your dirty blood clot. You nasty thinking old woman. Move! Move thinking cribby stinking woman. You bright no blood clot, but you can't come talk to bitch like me. We live in a house in nasty hole. Yo, where you come a find for? Tell me. All you talk about credit. You talk about me have my credit. Me have me what the credit your name again? Care credit. You know the care credit them should apply for. Eh? And run go use them up. But bitch, you don't have nothing in your life for sure. You don't have a business, you don't have nothing. You're bad-minded, the blood clot. Everything what your friends say is true. You're very bad-minded, you're bad-minded. Yo, when Colleen talk, my belly button move. When the woman talk, me just sit down so. And me just sit down with my belly so my belly does a move. Cause me know bad-minded is a... Yo, when the woman talk, me say, oh God, man. Me say it hit my stomach. It feel like when me not drink no blood clot tea in the morning, and I want a little tea, and when the hot tea touch my blood clot stomach, it just go down. Yo, I saw it feel, virgin. For no say somebody so evil amongst your blood clot on your friend where you know for so long. Where you say, if me I go do surgery, she come. Eh? Eh? Where your respect? Where your morals, bitch? Eh?
Right?
Tell me. But this little dirty crabby one from England, the crab lost one. Only near the crab lost crew. At least me mad, but me not name the crab lost crew.
I
Me
can
the
name them.
Peppa Pig crew.
I'll name the ones that's fucking with me. I'm sorry to cut you off, Susie, or
No,
whatever,
you're
but
good. You're good, man, Miami.
I'm sorry. Big up, Susie. Thank you
You're
for
good.
letting
You're
me
good.
know.
You're good.
Big up, sis. Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah, man.
Miss
You're good,
Long.
man.
Thank
You're
you so
good,
Take
man.
up
much.
No,
yourself,
what you
Miami.
say?
I just want to get. I had fun at the beach. I had a good time at the beach. But when I got back, I had such a spiritual attack that I'm not staying quiet anymore. I'm gonna say my truth from A to B. And anybody that knows me knows that I talk very intelligently. I manage a home. I manage children that are in A+ schools and doing A+ from all their report cards. I'm a very competent woman as well as having degrees from the University of Miami. I'm not a dumb person, nor am I a crazy person. But what my truth is the truth to me, regardless of what somebody says. For 2 years now, I've been battling demons, and I'm going to name them out: Kodak Black, Jay-Z, and Beyonce. I don't know what kind of cloak or whatever kind of fucking shit I got myself in when I fucking went to a couple of concerts of Call&Beg. But I have been suffering ever since then with their fucking voices and their fucking subliminal goddamn messages day and night, their fucking voices. I don't know what it is I picked up when I went to those concerts, but it has been dragging me for 2 years. Talking now. If I meet a friend like Miss Wong, they want to say yada 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 about that or whatever. They always access some spirit or whatever in me. Does it want chicken fricassee or whatever that is? Always offering it food or whatever. I don't even know what that means. Everywhere I go, if I turn on a car radio, that's where their voices is. If I turn on the water and the water faucet, voices are coming out. I'm tired of being quiet now. I'm going to start writing down everything, every one of my truths. I'm going to start writing down what I got to go through with Kodak Black, Jay-Z, and Beyonce. I'm not crazy. I know what I'm going through every day with whatever I got to go through because every day is something. But I keep my mouth closed because I don't want to seem crazy out there to people. And I don't want people to say, what is she talking about? Is she like one of those people that say Elvis and the UFOs? This is an evil ass cult. You go to their goddamn concerts, you're going to pick something up from them. And that's my truth.
Well,
Every day from
Miami,
now on,
that is
I'm going to come
that
on.
is one big case right now. You know, we have to go deal with that case they want to be here now. But that is, we can't say a lie you're telling now, because at the end of the day, people are going to hear where them are here, and we can't say a lie, because at the end of the day, we don't know what's going on in the people, and you see me? So, who is me for judge? Yeah, hear Beyonce, and all of them people, and Jay-Z, and all of them, because you know them do them look, that's why them say, watch where you're going now. Something you can't go in a church you go pick up destruction, you can go